This is the TransForm McCarthy Mitral Annuloplasty ring, engineered to transform practice, mindset, and results in mitral valve repair. TransForm was designed for open, port access, and robotic-assisted procedures, supporting surgeons who need precision and adaptability across any workflow. The ring is built around two independent, semi-rigid deafeners, providing stability in the anterior and posterior annulus, while remaining flexible at the commissures. This unique balance allows the ring to support durable remodeling while preserving physiologic motion. A silicone core delivers elastic inward force, reshaping the annulus from a D shape toward an O shape, while adapting to patient anatomy. Combined with a distinctive braided cuff, surgeons gain smooth, controlled needle passage and reliable suture security. Sizing is supported by dedicated silicone sizers paired with a double stainless steel handle for stability and ease for manipulation, even in minimally invasive or robotic-assisted approaches. Saddle-shaped geometry and optimized 4-3 commissure to commissure to anterior-posterior ratio help restore natural 3D annular motion and stable leaf-like coaptation. TransForm was co-developed with Dr. Patrick McCarthy for one reason: to have a ring that would work for any mitral valve repair, from endocarditis to Barlow's disease. For implementation, the universal annuloplasty holder with peak clip ensures stability during suturing, and the quick release holder with 2 cut marks allows streamlined ring deployment when suturing is complete. Finally, a large radiopaque marker ensures easy fluoroscopic identification during follow-up, and it's built right within the ring. TransForm, semi-rigid where you need it, flexible where you want it, and measurement-driven to transform results across any mitral repair.